morning guys, and welcome to Life Cars, and I hope you guys are all well today. I've had my hair cut. I quite like it. No, I don't. But anyway, today is a bit of a different video because I've always wanted to see the comparison between the Forza Horizon 3 car sounds and the real life car sounds. So what I've done is I've picked out loads of cars from my old videos and I'm going to compare them basically between them. So I'm going to get a C63 from real life, C63 from Forza Horizon 3, compare them and just see if they sound realistic. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. And there we have it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this different type of video. I've always wanted to see what it's like comparing Forza to real car sounds and if it sounds accurate. A lot of them sound accurate, some of them don't really sound the best, but you can't really complain. It is a video game, so it's not real. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.